Guys, I am going to read English newspaper. Congress files plant over assassination threats to Rahul by BJP NDA leaders. Congress on Wednesday filed a complaint with the Delhi police against four leaders of BJP and its alliance partners, including Minister of State for Railways Railways Ravneet Singh Bittu for giving open threats to eliminate or cause bodily injury to leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi, demanding strict action against them. Congress Treasurer and former Union Minister Ajay Makan filed a police complaint at the Tughlaq Road police station in the national capital while accompanied by a battery of lawyers. In his complaint to the police, Makan said mentioned the names of several BJP leaders and Shiv Sena Eknath Shinde camp MLA Sanjay Gaikwad. Makan mentioned that how BJP leader and former MLA Tarvinder Singh Marwa on September in a BJP event openly issued as association threat against Rahul Gandhi. The Congress leader highlighted that how Marwa said that Rahul Gandhi बाज आजा नहीं तो आने आने वाले टाइम में तेरा भी वही हाल होगा जो तेरी दादी का हाल हुआ. यू बेटर बिहेव और यू विल मीट the same fate as your grandmother assassinated like Srimati Indira Gandhi, highlighting the complaints of Gaikwad alliance partner of BJP in Maharashtra. Makan said that he on September 16 publicly announced a bounty of Rs 11 lakhs for anyone who will cut the tongue of leader of opposition Sri Rahul Gandhi. He also said that Minister of State for Railways Bittu on September 15 while speaking publicly to media called Rahul Gandhi as the number one terrorist of the country. He said Bittu deliberately made statement to provoke public hatred and outrage against Rahul Gandhi with the aim to incite violence and breach of peace. He even highlighted the comments of Uttar Pradesh government minister Raghuraj Singh publicly speaking that leader of opposition is the number one terrorist of India. Makan said that the above statements or threats is issued by various BJP leaders and its allies calling for assassination or bodily injury onto Rahul Gandhi and also calling the leader of opposition of the country a terrorist exhibits his personal hatred by the BJP and NDA alliance partners against him. Such utterances are made only with the aim to cause unrest among the general masses to provoke provoke a rioting breach of peace, etc. through the hate-filled remarks. Rahul Gandhi has been continuously raising issues pertaining to deprived sections of the society such as women, youth, Dalits and other marginalized sections, etc. and the failure of the BJP to address such public centric issue. However, the same has not gone down well with the BJP and its allies. Therefore, the above named persons have been deputed to make such hate-filled comments on the leader of opposition of India. The senior Congress leader said in his complaint. Thank you guys for watching this, and you should also try to read the English newspaper.